Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's burger video update for Tuesday 19th of July. And so the story still continues. We do have a bearish cross on the 4-hour time frame right here. You can see that when the 10, the 20 and the 55 make a cross, then that means that it's bearish. And the bullish cross actually is something like this. I'm going to show you down here, right? So this was a bullish cross right over there. It went to the upside, came down, retested the EMAs, went up, came down, retested the EMAs, and impulsively moved higher and higher and higher, right? At the moment though, the same likewise, the opposite side is a bearish cross, and the only thing that you might be doing, is to retest the EMAs. And right now the 10 EMA is acting as a very big resistance, and the technical target to still come down here is pending to the 0.964. And I reckon that if you do come down to the 0.964, you're gonna have a little bit of a break here, maybe go back up to this level and then continue to go even way more down. So as long as you're not invalidating a bear flag, and by the way, the reason why we do have a technical target is because of a very clear bear flag that you're not even breaking out of. So that's going to be a drop from current the top here to that there. That's going to be like a 72% drop to the downside, because this is a level that you didn't retest at that much. And actually, sorry, not the retest, but you do have a very big support right over here. So if I do bring in this line over there, then you do have an influence, right? So one touch here, one touch over there, you do have some touches right over here, and one support level right over there. So you do come down, maybe consolidate a little bit here and make a push to the upside, and that's your technical target as well. And that's it for today's burger update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.